Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good afternoon. I want to thank you for coming to our presentation, Group of 3. Nice to see you all. First of all, we also don't forget to say a prayer to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has given His mercy and grace so that we can gather at the lecture this afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about management information system. But firstly, I would like to introduce my team. I'm Jusmiaten, then there is Mbak Salma Febi Ardita, and Mbak Asa Afilia. The next is the table of contents. We have 6 points. The first is definition, the second of function, the third of goal of MIS, the fourth is benefit of MIS, the fifth of system of MIS, the last is implements MIS on PT Gojek. For the next is explanation of the definition and function will be explained by Mbak Asa.
Okay, the one definition. Next. The one definition, management information system is planning system part of internal control in business which consists of the use of documents, people, technology, and procedure in management accounting. Usually, management information systems are used to solve a profit system to business problems such as production cost, service, or business strategies information. Next. Opinion about management information system. The one, OPRIN, management information system is a group of internal components that work together to achieve a common goal by receiving input and producing output on orderly transformation. And second, McLeod management information system is developed a computer-brain system that provide information to many users with the same needs. This service provide information about what has happened, what is happening now, and what might happen in the future. And three, Wagner and Hopperworth management information system is a collection of hardware and software designed to transfer data into useful information, or it can also be called an accounting information system. Next. And second, information system function. Next. The function of the management information system was entirely only as data conversion, but as technology developed, function also increased. This management information system has many function, and the are three function of system informasi. The one in productivity and cost saving with the organization, and to make it easier for the management to support, plan, direct, and delete performance to all coordinating departments, and three, play an important role in the decision-making process in business, because in business, decisions are made based on relevant information, and relevant information can only be relevant for management information system. Next.
Okay, thank you Mbak Asa. For this explain, I will explain goal of MIS. The three objectives indicate the fund managers, other users, need to have access to management accounting information, also know how to ask it. The management accounting information can assist them in identifying a problem, solving a problem, and evaluating the performance that has been done. For the next is benefit of MIS. Managing an information management system has a very important role in analyzing the data needed to carry out the information needed. Every step taken to provide and ensure the managed information is accessible and clearly conveyed, and the software used to appropriate and can present information that is easy, clear, and understandable. For the following explanation, the MIS system will be explained by Mbak Salma.
Okay, next I will explain about system of management information system. The system is divided into 8 parts. First, executive support system. The system above will help managers interact with the company environment by using the aid from the charts and the support from other communication. Second, group decision support system or GDSS and computer supportive active work system. GDSS serves to find solution to the problems for collective knowledge and not individual. GDSS usually has questionnaires, consultation, and scenarios. Third, expert system or ES and artificial intelligence or AI. The information system employs artificial intelligence in analyze problem solving using program expert knowledge. Fourth, decision support system or DSS. There is an information system that helps a manager to make decisions by observing the environment within the company. Next. Five, informatic management system or IMS. IMS have a function to support the task spectrum inside the organization. IMS can also be used to analyze decision making. 6, office automation system. The sample information system is the OIS or office automation system. This application has the function of communicating between departments within the company. 7, supply chain management or SCM. In the SCM system, the benefit of management are integrating important data such as supplies from suppliers, producers, and to retailers. And the last is enterprise resource planning or ERP. Many big companies use ERP, management information system. However, it can also be used on a small scale. The ERP is generally used for management as well as for integrated surveillance among corporate units.
Okay, thank you Mbak Salma. For this explanation, I will implement MIS on PT Gojek Company. Gojek is a technology company from Indonesia, which was founded by a very creative young man. The father of Gojek name is Mr. Nadiem Makarim. This company aimed to connect motorcycle taxi with passengers more quickly and efficiently, with the vision of helping improve the transportation structure in Indonesia, making it easier for people to carry out their daily work, using courier facility and contributing to the welfare of motorcycle taxi drivers in Indonesia in the future. The successful ones have a wide variety of Gojek services that are very large and complete. For the next is in the central organizational structure can be directly seen on this PPT slide. For the next, in the regional organizational structure can be directly seen the PPT slide. In the classification system of information use, the information system is a combination of information technology and the active of the those who use it to support operation and management. In a broad sense, the commonly used term information system refer to the interaction of people, algorithmic process, data, and technology. In the table can be directly seen on the PPT slide. As an information system classification of two kinds, that is operating system and management system. Here is the diagram of the information system on Gojek. Henceforth, the information technology used by PT Gojek will be presented by Mbak Salma.
Okay. The information technology used by PT Gojek is first end-user technology. End-user technology is a technology that enables consumers to use an application without having a deal with the designer stage. Second, database technology. Database technology is an application that allows advertising companies to access information, run business, and interact with customers at any time while still connected to the internet. And the last is application programming interface. Is a series of software used by programmers to accelerate an application process of making or working process through the use of command, protocol, and function. Next. Next, e-commerce system. Although the e-commerce system is commonly used by online store application, Gojek also need it because there are several services in the Gojek application that require the help of this e-commerce system to run. For example, first is instant courier. Gojek provides instant courier service for real-time delivery. Well, to ensure the success of this instant courier, the e-commerce system can be determine the price that needs to pay based on the distance traveled and the time it takes to send goods from the travel location to the consumer. Second is transport. Transport service are also Gojek main service. To provide the service, Gojek use an e-commerce system to determine the passenger's location, destination, and confirm the price that needs to be paid. Fourth, food delivery. The role of information system is also important in providing food delivery because consumer can know what means are available, the cost that need to be paid for food or delivery service, and how long it takes for their orders to arrive. And the last is shopping. Shopping is a prime example of an e-commerce system because consumer can buy goods in stores at fixed cost and without the need to come to the store.
Okay, thank you Mbak Salma. For the last slide will be present Mbak Asa.
Okay. The management information system, Gojek need the management information system because the system can guarantee that all company activity can run smoothly, such as the one, business and operational process. Management information system such as office information system, process control system, and transaction processing system can streamline business and operational process such as the streamlining business transaction process, controlling data, controlling production, and processing electronic data. And two, decision making. Other data needed by the company is collect the management information system can help the management to make decision regarding expense of income for the tax period. And the last, strategy advantage over the competition. If you pay close attention, Gojek can last a long time in the Indonesia market. Even though the Armani new competitors were over the same, this can happen because Gojek also use the data provided by the information system to build new strategies. Next. That's all we can bring to the presentation. If you have any question, please ask in the comment column below. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.